Nanjengoko isixeko saseGqeberha sikwindawo yethoba kuluhlu lwezixeko zidume ngobundlobongela ngokwengxelo ze-Mexican Council for Public Security and Criminal Justice. Inkokheli ye-EFF uJulius Malema uthi lo mbutho uza kuqula ligangathe ukuqinisekisa ukuba uzisiphula neengcambi ziganeko zolwaphulo-mthetho kwesi sixeko seNelson Mandela Bay. uMalema ugxininise ukuba i-EFF iza kusebenzisana nabakwantsasana ukuqinisekisa ukuba izaphula imithetho zijongana ngqo nengalo yomthetho.
We are going to fight crime in Gqeberha, in Nelson Mandela region, in the whole of South Africa, because murder is too high. And in Gqeberha, in Nelson Mandela, and in South Africa alone, it's like we're a country in a war with itself. So this has to come to an end. The gangsters are known, the criminals are known, police are reluctant to deal with those people. So we are going to deal with the criminals by bringing in the task force, by bringing in national intervention, by bringing in special forces to come and identify these criminals and attend to them.
Lo mbutho uthi uzimisele ukusebenzisana namanye amaqela ezopolitiko kurhulumente obambiswano kuba ukuziswa kwenkonzo kuluntu ngundoqo kuwo.
The coalition in Nelson Mandela will stand. We believe in coalitions, and the only way to deal with coalitions successfully is to put aside egos and listen to one another and listen to logic and look at what is in the best interest of our people. And we come from that positive mind. If you look at the leadership of the EFF, it's not driven by any other thing except the desire to deliver services to our people. The problem in Nelson Mandela, which we're fixing now, we have inherited a lot of incompetent staff members at high senior positions, and we have to find ways of taking them out of the system. We started with that corrupt city manager who was trying to run this municipality as if it's her own kitchen. And then we must then go deeper because the road goes deeper. And we need to ensure that we take out the unskilled political patronage and bring in the qualified to get this municipality back to where it was. So our MMCs, they are only two, but they are trying their level best. They are trying by all means to ensure that we deliver services to our people. There is an old age home here with a high bill of electricity, which can be explained. We put a motion in the council that debt must be scrapped because it's for gogos in an old age home. The speaker of the ANC suppresses that because he thinks it's going to give the EFF the votes. But we are not driven by anything. We did this even before the elections to save these old people of Gqeberha, and these other ones are not interested. But we are always working towards making sure that which we have assembled as a coalition must work and work for our people.
Lo mbutho kwavakalise ukuba kwiphulo lawo lokuzisa inkonzo zoluntu ubonelele ngamanzi kuluntu lwaseGovendale kunye nogutyulo lwelindle.
Safika abahlali as EFF, we made sure into yokuba la pipes ezingakwazi uthatha isuwa ngenxa yesuwe overflowayo kwesasikolo siyayilungisa. Kunamhlanje Ward 13 next to Galvindale High School, it is dry. There is no sewer running next to the streets. There is dignity within that particular community. As the EFF Bahlali, we want to insource the ATTP plumbers. We want to insource the security guards. We tabled a motion Banbaguti into yokba si insource ATTP plumbers within a standing committee. EFF voted for ATTP plumbers must insource. However, the ANC, the DA and all other political parties folded arms. Arms zange bayisupport lo motion into yokuba i-ATT plumbers mazibe insourced. So sifuna ukuthi ke bahlali into yokuba if bakhona abantu be-security ne-ATT plumbers, votelani EFF kwenzela into yokuba singezuyocenga ezinye political parties for insourcer niqeshwe emisebenzini.
Abafundi base-PE College bathi bajongene nomcelimngeni ongafumani inkxaso-mali ku-NSFAS, nto leyo ngumqobo ekuqhubeni phambili nezifundo zabo. Bathi banqwenela ukuba i-EFF ingenelele kuba kudala bethethathethane neziphathamandla zale college, kodwa onke loo malinge abo aphelele emoyeni.
One of the issues that is facing with this higher institution, NSFAS crisis, NSFAS akakwazi ukwenza izinto in the way bekusupposed kwenzeka ngayo. Students have been since February besuku strike up until now, and the strike still additional suspension of his student as a 14 without any disciplinary hearing, and management is suspended student but must come up institution. Number 2 is the issue of service provider electronic NSFAS, which is Co-Invest. That service provider ayifumaneki ever since last year, and students struggle to access imali yazo. Some they receive imali yabo, some they are blocked kwi-portals zabo because they receive imali yabo because of the service provider in Co-Invest. We try to call this service provider to come to our institution to resolve its issues. Management deny. We have tried to call NSFAS official to deal with individual students as issues is facing, and management deny because with the agreement meetings that's in NSFAS and management, we have an agreement with NSFAS on the 11th to resolve all issues of PE College students, but none whatsoever happened on the 11th. And then we have asked management, but what is the issue? And we have asked the NSFAS, but why are you not reporting to our campuses? NSFAS said, we've been waiting an institution to request them so that they can report in our campuses, because they are dealing with NSFAS. They can't just request themselves, but an institution must request them to come. This issue is above us now. This one of suspension and with the ignorance of management. We have sent a complaint to the regional leadership, and the leadership of the region is busy getting a lawyer so that is going to represent us in court, so that is going to represent us in the disciplinary hearing, because when we try to fight this thing, the management is being ignorant. They are hiring a security guard to prevent us to enter in the higher institution. So now, Tina, as a student, we can't do anything, and we hand over anything to the EFF.
I-EFF ikwamemelele uluntu kuba luyeke uba nethemba kumbutho olawulayo ngelithi balandela imisebenzi oyifudule kumongameli weli uNelson Mandela, kuba lo mbutho ngoku unamalungu orhaphilizayo. Kwiindaba zeMpuma Kapa TV, ndinguSandile Njongi, eNjole Gqeberha.